put a link to your Instagram stories even if you haven't crossed that 10,000 followers line yet. Instagram has that 10,000 followers requirement in order to put a link, active link into your Instagram stories. Afterwards, all you have to do is insert the link and your followers just need to swipe up and they are redirected to the page where you want them to go. There is a hack how you can go around that even if you have only 500,000, 5,000, even if you are brand new to Instagram. How that is done, I'm going to show you in this video. It's a little bit more steps, quite easy. Most of them can be done just for the first time and you can just use what you have created and use this option to grow your page, your channels, your social media profiles, or your online business. Welcome back to another video. Lenka Katsula from growwithlenka.com, helping you hit your online breakthrough. On this channel, we are talking about online businesses, how to become the next online star, earn passive income, and complete lifestyle transformation. So if those are the topics you are interested in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button to actually get notified when new videos are out. Today, I want to show you step by step how you can actually put an active link to your Instagram story so you can redirect your viewers to a next page or other social media or your YouTube video, whatever your intention with that link is, even when you haven't crossed that 10,000 followers line. So let's get right into it. So first, what you have to do, you have to install and create your IGTV account. So I'm going to share my screen with you. First, you actually want to, you can download the app and you can log in with your Instagram account. So I'm just going to continue with my primary account and we'll be adding a new video. That's step 2. So I'm going to click on my profile and add plus, and I'm going to be adding a new video, which we're going to record right now. You can also go straight from your Instagram page by this little icon and you're there as well. Don't forget the minimum is 15 seconds. That's minimum for video that is necessary for IGTV to actually upload your video. So 15-second promotion video for your link. Hello my online stars, welcome back. So happy to see you. I hope you're having a fantastic week. Today I want to invite you to the news video I have just uploaded to my YouTube channel. So all you have to do is click on the right top corner. There's a title, click on it and you'll be redirected to the video and I'll see you there. Bye. So that is all that you have to do. Now what I usually personally do, I make a selfie some kind of catchy selfie that I will upload as a thumbnail for that IGTV video. So usually what I do, I just go to Instagram stories, upload the picture that I want to have as a thumbnail, do a few changes, and when I create it, all I do, I click on the save button, and afterwards, when going to IGTV, we can upload by that plus sign the video we have created. Here we can upload our design that we have created. And next, and this is very important part, the title. You have to put click on this for more, and actually have an arrow icon pointing down, which is very important. You'll understand soon why, and in your description you'll have the video you actually want to promote, or your website or offer, whatever that is. I'm just gonna put my latest YouTube video since I'm promoting in that video, in that clip, my YouTube. Okay, it's uploading. So we'll wait for it to upload. So now you'll be adding an Instagram story. It can be a video or it can be a static picture. Static pictures are great if you use canva.com because you can choose already pre-made templates, pretty easily change your coloring or the design that you like. You choose your layout and you can invite that person to actually swipe up and watch your video. Also, little tip, if you don't want to make a video on the IGTV, you can also do a static story, but be careful, you have to actually write down that, click on that top right hand corner on the title to watch the videos, and it has to last 15 seconds. So in your movie editor or any app that actually can work with the Instagram stories, it has to be a video of at least 15 seconds. So all you do, you just insert the picture for 15 seconds and make a video of a clip of a static picture. So that will be your IGTV when you're using actually a static picture. So you'll do, right now you'll create a story. On that story, you again want to write down new video, and I'll be actually adding a swipe up option, new video on my picture, and you'll be adding a link. On that link, I already do have my web link because I have crossed the 10K line, but what you will see is maybe only the IGTV if you haven't crossed that line yet. So you link your latest IGTV, invite that video or static picture that you have created. There we go, and you can publish your story. Then what's happening the entire process? People see your invite, they swipe up to get to the video, they watch your IGTV video with the invite, they click on the top right hand corner to see the description on the title, and when they click on the description, they are redirected to your page or your video wherever you have sent them. So easy hack how you can redirect people. What you can do now, because I have made pretty general video, what I can do always is, instead of only having people having that link on my active link in my bio of my Instagram profile, I can also either use the same picture for the invitation or create different Instagram stories for new videos, and all I have to do is in my IGTV, in the description, put there a new link. So when I upload new video to YouTube, I can change the link in my IGTV and invite through my Instagram stories to that IGTV video again, and I'll have in that description newest video. So you can keep using already pre-made IGTV video. If you like this hack, don't forget to hit like, comment below, have you crossed that 10K line? Do you need help how to get more followers on Instagram? Do you want me to make more videos on Instagram? Let me know below how I can help you, and I'm looking forward to talking to you in the next video.